Hey guys, Mark the Reptile Guy here. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a new video. Things have been a little crazy, a little busy. For those of you that follow us on social media, you know that we recently just outfitted and supplied a snake to one of the local schools here for display in their media center. That's really cool. The kids seem to love it. That's been a project that I've undertaken, and it's taken up a little bit of time. But today I really just wanted to pop in. I got a shipment in today, and it's a shipment from my rodent supplier. We have several snakes here, and of course we know they eat rodents. So I thought I'd pop in here and just kind of do maybe like an unboxing video. I've never done anything like that for you guys before. So I figured I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this camera turned around and show you what came in. So here we are. The supplier I use is Layne Labs. They're based out of California. So they are on the opposite side of the country. However, they always do have quick shipping. In fact, this package was not due to arrive until tomorrow. It showed up a whole day earlier. And if I'm not mistaken, the last shipment I got from them was the same way. So they do a really good job packaging up. Everything is packed in dry ice. I've never had anything show up thawed or even partially thawed. Everything's been nice and frozen. So we'll go ahead and do the unboxing here and see what we got. All right, so right here you can kind of see they have a packing list. This time around we got some frozen rats, small. We got some frozen rat pinkies, some large mice pinkies. We got some small fuzzies, some rat pups, you know, just an assortment of different things to feed the collection we have here. But as you can see, I'll bring you in a little closer here. Everything is well insulated. It's all packed in this insulated foam here. We'll get that all cut open and unpacked. There's the dry ice. Keeps everything nice and frozen. They put a good amount of it in here. Like I said, this did come from California, so it shipped all the way from across the country. Everything comes in nice labeled packages. You can see here, these are our small frozen rats. Everything still feels very solid, very frozen. Again, nicely labeled, 25 large pinky mice. Those will feed all of our little baby snakes. We got pinky rats, some of our colubrids, our king snakes. Got them from mice to rats. Rats tend to have a little more nutrition than the mice, so started transitioning some of them to some pinky rats. This is our small frozen mice. There's some more of our colubrids. And here we have some rat pups for some of our larger colubrids. A couple of the smaller ball pythons, the boa, all eat the rat pups. But again, everything is frozen. I'm very satisfied. Never ever have I had a bad shipment or any issues with them. Again, that is from Layne Labs. Give them a check. This is not a sponsored video. It's just kind of you know, from one reptile keeper to another, because there are some other larger companies out there that you can obviously get frozen rodents from. But what I like about Layne specifically is they seem to have different ranges of quantities that you can order. Some of the other frozen rodent suppliers, you have to order in a very large quantity. Whereas this, you can kind of pick and choose. They have, you know, different tiers of quantities that you can get, which I like because I can kind of mix and match. I don't go through some of these as fast as I do others, so I might need a little bit more in one size or one species, you know, rat or mouse. and something different for another one. So give them a click and check them out, and I'm sure you'll be satisfied. All right, guys, so before I wrapped up this video here, I thought I would show you some of the actual rodents. I got the bags all packed up. They come in nice resealable Ziploc bags, which is nice. They're all in the freezer. These are the ones I am getting ready to feed at the moment. And I thought I'd give you an idea of the size. Some of you new reptile keepers just getting into the game, wondering what size is appropriate for what snake. General rule of thumb is you don't want to feed it anything larger than the biggest part of the body, the biggest diameter of the body. So this will kind of help you gauge what size and what type of rodent you might need for your snake. So starting from the left here, these are the rat pups. Good little size here. Like I said, some of my smaller ball pythons, the boa eats that. The boa is probably about ready to go up to the next size. But those are rat pups. This one here is a rat pinky. So this is, you know, just like you have the pinky mice down here all the way on there, this is a pinky rat. So just a day or two old. The next one down here, these are fuzzies. So just a little bit bigger than the pinky mice. These are what's referred to as fuzzies. Next step up from this would be hoppers. And honestly, I meant to order some of those and forgot, so I will have to go ahead and get another order put in. And then the smallest one down here, these are pinky mice. So that's kind of, these are large pinky mice, so they are, you know, again, a couple days old. You can get smaller ones. I believe you can get some really teeny ones. They're called red hots, is what they're referred to in the industry. But so this is what your baby snakes, especially your colubrids, you know, smaller species will eat, things like that. So I hope that at least helps get you started in the right direction. Again, I highly suggest you go check out Layne Labs. It's laynelabs.com. It's where I get all my rodents from. I've never had any issues. Everything has always shown up great. Seems like really good quality. Never had an issue with anything. So give them a check them out, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Take care.